Welcome to another video of Class 3 Mathematics. Today we are going to start a new topic. It's subtraction. Children, what is subtraction? Subtraction in simple terms is taking away. Okay, what is subtraction? It's taking away. Subtraction is taking away a number or a quantity from a given number or a quantity. Okay, that is when you have 5 mangoes and you take away 3 from it. What is remaining with you? 5 you already had and you took away 1, 2, 3. What is remaining? 2. So this is subtraction. What is the result of subtraction? The answer what you get is known as difference. The result of subtraction is known as difference. What was our example? For example, if you have 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here 2 is known as the difference. So the result of subtraction is known as difference. Now next we are going to learn how to subtract quickly. Subtract quickly means if you are asked to subtract two numbers, for example 14 minus 6. How will you do this quickly? What you have to do is you keep 6 in your mind. After 6, you can start adding 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, how many numbers you have added to 6? 8, isn't it? So, when you add 8 to 6, you get 14. So, what is your result? 8. So, always think what you are asked to subtract. 6 you have to keep in mind and start adding after 6 till you reach 14. So your result is 8. Children, you have already studied how to subtract with regrouping and without regrouping. Just see how we have done these. First, without regrouping. Let's take two numbers, 736 minus 423. Now when we subtract, we always start from ones place. Start subtracting. 6 minus 3. So how we will be subtracting? Take 3, keep it in your mind, and add after 3 till you get 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers? 3. So you can write 3. After ones place, go for the tens place. 3 minus 2. Keep 2 in your mind till you get 3. After 2, when you add 1, you get 3. So what will be your answer? 1. Last, go for the hundreds place. It's 7 minus 4. So keep 4 in your mind. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers you have added? 3. So what is your answer, children? Your result is 313. This is how you subtract. Let's see one more example. Our next number is 256 minus 14. Start from the ones place. 6 minus 4. What is 6 minus 4? After 4, start adding. 5, 6. 2 numbers. So it's 2. Next, in the tens place, you have 5 minus 1. So after 1, how many numbers you have to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 numbers. You can write 4. Now the last place, you have only 2 and you don't have any number here. So if you don't have any number, you can directly bring down 2. Your answer is 242. Now in all these cases, you can notice that children, you are always subtracting big minus small. So you can easily subtract 6 minus 4. Here 6 is big, so you can subtract a smaller number. 5 is big, so you can subtract a smaller number 1 from it. Isn't it? Next, we are going to do subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. How we are going to do? Let's see with the help of some examples. Let's take two numbers, 275 minus 148. Let's subtract. We always start from the ones place. What are the digits in the ones place? 5 minus 8. Here children, 5 is smaller than 8. So can you subtract this? It's not possible. So what we will do is, we will borrow from the nearest place. In the nearest place, that is in the tens place, you have 7. That is 7 tens. So you can borrow 1 from there. So when we are borrowing, how do? We will make 7 as 6 because we are taking 1 from it. And we will give it to 5. So this will become 15. Now 15 is a bigger number than 8. So you can subtract. How to subtract children? Again, keep 8 in your mind and add till you get 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many numbers you have done? 7. Now let's go for the tens place. 6 minus 4. 6 is a bigger number, 4 is a smaller number. You can subtract. After 4, 5, 6, 2. Now 2 minus 1. 2 is a bigger number, 1 is smaller, so you can subtract. 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So you can write 1. So the answer is 127. Now let's do one more example where we are going to subtract with regrouping. 942 minus 16. Start from the ones place, 2 minus 6. Above the number given is a smaller number and below is a bigger number. So we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the nearest place. When we borrow from 4, it becomes 3 and 2 becomes 12. Now what is 12 minus 6? To 6, start adding. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many numbers you have added? 6. Now 3 minus 1. After 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers you have to add. Now under 9 you don't have any number, so you can directly bring it down. So what is your answer? it's 926. In this video, we discussed what is subtraction, how to subtract quickly, subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. Hope you all understood these. Rest we can discuss in our next video. Thank you.